Welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Kronos coin or token on your Trust Wallet mobile app. And the website of interest is coinmarketcap.com, which is what we are using to view the coin statistics, its current price and the rest of that. So we're simply going to be scrolling down or using the menu bar up here or taskbar up here and click on its about, which then takes us to its link. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain. So once you're able to copy this blockchain address, it also has Solana and Cosmos, don't forget. But what we're looking at is the Ethereum blockchain. So you simply click on copy, you minimize, open up your Trust wallets, and please make sure you do possess some sort of Ethereum or a good amount of Ethereum, seeing as transactions are really costly on the Ethereum network. Our next step is to open up the browser, which is at the bottom of the screen. So you click on browser, scroll down, click on Uniswap Exchange, give it some time to load in. And once Uniswap is opened up, if your wallet hasn't been connected here previously, make sure you use this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this and then click on this power icon right here. This goes to show that you could connect or disconnect your wallet, any of which is available to you. And the next step is basically going to be clicking on select token, and you simply input CRO, which stands for Kronos. Click on Kronos, enter the amount of Ethereum you're willing to trade for your Kronos. So we know the price is 0.06. So let's go with 0.004 Ethereum. It's going to be fetching the best price, which is $7. So we're getting 123.5 of the Kronos coin. You then proceed to click on swap, and then you click on confirm swap or accept the terms and conditions, and your Kronos would be successfully deposited on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.